Hi there, welcome to Dryrun. My name is Catherine, and I will be taking you through some of the basics and best practices to get you started in Dryrun quickly. The first thing we'll cover is how to set up your account if you're importing data from an external source. Let's get started. First things first, connecting your account. Click on New Connection and select the system that you would like to integrate with. You will be asked to enter your credentials before continuing. The second tab of the Import Wizard has advanced filtering for your data. This only applies to QuickBooks Online data and allows you to filter your transactions by either class or location. If you intend to bring all of your data, you can leave all of these included. Next is the Opening Balance tab. Dryrun grabs your reconciled balances from your balance sheet, which are added and mapped to the cash star value in your scenario. A best practice is to enable operational accounts that have an impact on your cash flow, but remember that these are balances only. The next tab is the Account Mapping tab, where you will find all of your transactional data. Dryrun automatically sorts your income and expense accounts into one of our three sections: cash in, cash out, and recurring. We grab this information from your profit and loss report on a cash basis. All of your income accounts are automatically sorted into the cash in section, and you have the ability to include or exclude accounts as needed. For your expense accounts, we give you the option of sorting them into two different sections, either the cash out or the recurring. The reason why we give you this flexibility is so that you map your data the way that you want it. Some use cases include mapping all of your cost of goods sold to cash out and the remaining of the expense accounts to recurring, or maybe you would prefer mapping your accounts that include variable costs in the cash out section while your direct costs are mapped to recurring. Totally up to you. The assets, liabilities, and equity tabs include accounts found in your cash flow statement, and we give you the ability to enable those as well if you have financing or investment activities that have an impact on your cash flow. The next tab is the Auto Forecast tab, where we give you several options on how you want to build your baseline forecast. This is a starting point, and you can easily make adjustments to your forecast if needed, which I will cover later on. We have 4 different options for Auto Forecasts. Map to Last Year grabs monthly totals from last year and maps them to this year. For example, whatever your actuals were on January of last year, you will see them as the forecast total for this year. Map to Recent Month allows you to capture totals of a recent month. Because this is based on reconciled totals, we automatically default to totals from 2 months ago. However, you do have the choice of which month you would like to select this option for. Map to Yearly Average grabs the totals of the previous 12 months and divides them by the same amount. All these forecast totals are dynamic and will update themselves as time goes on and your actuals are imported. However, let's say that you have very particular revenue streams and they cannot be accurately captured by any of these auto forecast methods. You then have the choice to manually create a forecast from scratch if that makes more sense. And that's it. You have completed the initial setup. Click Finish Up and then Sync, and let's continue with the next step, which is adjusting your forecast totals. You can find additional videos on our knowledge base YouTube channel, or you can contact us if you would like to see a live demo.